Keeping patience in parenting can sometimes feel impossible. Penny Williams points out that children's challenging behavior is often a cry for help, not an intent to frustrate us. This article will provide strategies to increase your patience and improve interactions with your child. Identifying and managing your triggers is the first step towards maintaining patience as a parent. By understanding what sets off frustration or anger, you can prepare and respond more calmly in stressful situations. The if-then technique and practicing mindfulness can help break down reactions into manageable steps, allowing for thoughtful responses instead of reacting impulsively to your child's behavior. Establishing open communication with your child creates a supportive environment where they feel understood. This foundation of trust promotes empathy, mutual respect, and strengthens the parent-child relationship. Taking time for self-care and embracing mindfulness practices are essential for parents to manage stress effectively. These activities not only benefit your mental well-being, but also model healthy coping mechanisms for your children. Consistently practicing these strategies contributes to developing a calm parenting approach. Maintaining perspective using calming techniques like deep breaths and prioritizing connection with your child helps foster an emotionally supportive family dynamic. Understanding your triggers as a parent is crucial. Kids often act out because they're struggling and need support, not because they want to upset you. Start by noticing what sets off your anger or frustration during interactions with your child. It might be defiance, noise levels, or even specific times of the day when stress peaks. Working on emotional regulation involves acknowledging these triggers. Reflect on how past experiences might shape your reactions to your child's behavior. This self-awareness helps you manage emotions more effectively, creating a calmer parenting environment. By recognizing these moments, you take the first step towards responding rather than reacting in stressful situations. Observing how you react to your child's behavior. Observing your reactions to your child's behavior is a pivotal step in understanding yourself as a parent. It can reveal how past experiences and triggers influence your current parenting style. For example, noticing if you get more upset when your child does not listen showcases an area for personal growth. It's essential to reflect on whether you respond with empathy or anger, calmness, or frustration. This self-awareness allows you to identify patterns that may need change. By tuning into your feelings during moments of conflict, you learn about your coping mechanisms and opportunities for improvement. Pay attention to physical signs of stress in yourself, like a racing heart or tense shoulders. Recognizing these early warning signs provides a chance to practice mindfulness techniques before the situation escalates. Observing these reactions leads naturally into developing specific strategies to manage them effectively. Developing patience strategies involves creating a plan to manage your triggers and using the if-then technique to maintain composure in challenging situations. By identifying your triggers as a parent and observing how you react to your child's behavior, you can proactively prepare for potential obstacles and respond more calmly. Creating a plan to manage your triggers. Creating a plan to manage your triggers is a key step in practicing self-regulation and maintaining patience as a parent. This strategy helps you stay calm, even during challenging moments with your child. Using the if-then technique. After devising a plan to tackle your triggers, the next step involves the if-then technique. This strategy helps in breaking down reactions to stress into manageable steps. You think about specific scenarios that test your patience and plan how to respond ahead of time. For example, if your child refuses to do homework, the if, then you might take 5 deep breaths before responding, the then. This pre-planned response gives you a clear action to take, which can prevent an amygdala hijack, where emotions override reason. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity and versatility. It can be applied not just for academic performance issues, but in numerous daily situations that may trigger anger or frustration. By anticipating these moments and deciding on a calm reaction beforehand, parents practice patience and consistency. Such structured responses encourage clear-headed decision-making and foster an environment where communication thrives, reducing instances of conflict resolution that stem from heated emotions. When it comes to the reason we lose our cool as parents, understanding the power of the pause can make all the difference. Catching yourself before you lose your temper is key to calm parenting. The reason we lose our cool as parents. Parents often lose their cool due to the overwhelming demands of parenthood, coupled with the challenges of managing their own emotions and responses. Feelings of frustration, exhaustion, and stress can lead to snapping or losing patience when children misbehave or push limits. The combination of these factors can lead parents to feel overwhelmed and react in ways they might not otherwise choose. It's crucial for parents to recognize these triggers and develop strategies for maintaining composure in challenging situations. Utilizing self-reflection, recognizing one's own triggers, practicing patience techniques, and nurturing a warm relationship with your child are some essential steps towards staying calm as a parent, even in the most trying circumstances. Through consistent practice and self-awareness, parents can learn to respond compassionately and level-headedly during emotionally charged moments. The secret to calm parenting? The pause. The reason we lose our cool as parents is due to the natural instinct to respond with anger or frustration, which can be overridden with practice and consistency. Encouragement is provided to take deep breaths, maintain perspective, and remind yourself of the love and connection with your child in intense moments. This entails reframing children's behavior to understand that it's a signal they are struggling and need help, rather than taking it personally. Understanding how triggers impact parenting reactions can lead to calmer responses in stressful situations. By recognizing these triggers, you can develop strategies for managing them effectively, leading to a more emotionally supportive relationship with your child. How to catch yourself before you lose your cool. Pause and take a deep breath to center yourself. Recognize the physical signs of rising frustration or anger, such as clenched fists or a racing heart. Remind yourself of your love and connection with your child to regain perspective. Practice mindfulness by focusing on the present moment and letting go of any resentments or frustrations. Engage in positive self-talk to encourage patience and understanding. Take a brief break if needed to prevent reacting impulsively. Reflect on your child's struggles and remember that their behavior is a signal for help, rather than a personal attack. Use calming techniques such as counting to 10 or visualizing a peaceful scene to regain composure. Building a supportive communication foundation. Establish a foundation of open communication and trust with your child to foster a warm and loving relationship. Cultivate an environment where your child feels heard, valued, and understood, laying the groundwork for effective communication. Create a foundation of support and communication. Develop a nurturing and warm relationship with your child by actively communicating and fostering their emotional well-being. Understanding and validating their feelings and experiences is essential in creating a supportive foundation. Developing effective communication strategies will help build trust, enabling you to navigate parenting challenges while maintaining a strong bond with your child. By nurturing open lines of communication, you can better understand your child's perspectives, ultimately leading to stronger connections. Encourage an environment where your child feels safe expressing themselves without fear of judgment or negativity. This approach fosters empathy, understanding, and mutual respect between you and your child. Nurturing a warm and loving relationship with your child. To nurture a warm and loving relationship with your child, it's crucial to reframe their behavior as signals of struggle rather than personal attacks. By modeling calm and composed behavior, you can influence your child's responses positively. Reflecting on your own reactions is essential. Staying collected during intense emotions from the child teaches effective coping mechanisms. Encouraging deep breaths, maintaining perspective, and reminding yourself of the love and connection in intense moments helps in nurturing a supportive bond with your child. Creating a foundation of support and communication bridges the gap between understanding triggers and building a warm relationship with your child. Model appropriate behavior by remaining calm even in emotional situations. This approach will help foster an environment of trust, empathy, forgiveness, respect, affection toward each other that underpins healthy parent-child relationships. The importance of self-care. Taking time for self-care is crucial in maintaining your well-being as a parent. Making space for self-care activities can help you recharge and better manage the demands of parenting. Setting aside time for self-care. Taking time for self-care is crucial for parents to recharge and model healthy coping mechanisms for their children. It allows them to prioritize their mental well-being, which directly influences how they respond to challenging behaviors from their kids. Engaging in self-care activities such as exercise, hobbies, or simply taking quiet moments can help parents manage stress and maintain a positive mindset when addressing parenting challenges. Practicing mindfulness and self-reflection are essential components of setting aside time for self-care. By allowing themselves these opportunities, parents can develop the ability to respond calmly, compassionately, and with clarity when dealing with difficult situations involving their children. Practicing mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness involves being fully present and aware of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. It means taking the time to observe your reactions without judgment. Deep breathing exercises can help you ground yourself in stressful moments, while a calming mantra or positive affirmations can serve as reminders to stay composed during challenging situations with your child. Using these mindfulness techniques helps regulate emotions and allows for more thoughtful responses to your child's behavior. Practicing mindfulness not only benefits you as a parent, but also creates a supportive environment for healthy childhood development. By incorporating mindful practices into daily routines, parents can foster more empathetic communication and understanding within their family dynamics. In conclusion, staying patient as a parent is crucial for nurturing healthy relationships with your children. Identifying triggers and developing a plan to manage them can help build resilience and understanding. Practicing mindfulness and using calming mantras can aid in diffusing tense situations. Taking time for self-care is important not just for you but also as an example of prioritizing mental well-being. If you like this video and want to know when our next video goes live, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks from the Simple Dad.